can do for the morning before I have to start work. But what I have done, and we'll see if it works, I tested it a little, but I don't have a spotter. Normally I would try to do this myself, but I can hear all of my friends and family saying, you need to stop. It's unsafe, so get a spotter. But I had an old scissor jack from a workbench that I was building. I ended up not using, so I attached a piece of wood to the top, dug out a hole, put a piece of wood under it so it wouldn't sink, and I did test it a little, but it does raise the front of this enough that I can get the tracks and the poles underneath. So we shall see what happens when I get off of work. Hi puppies. Hi Maxie. Hi babies. Oh wait, you're Luca. Or are you Max? I don't know who you are. You're Luca. Hi Lucas. Okay. So, got it up on the rollers. Got it jacked up. I kind of was being impatient. Husband doesn't get home for another hour from work. And yeah, it started to tip a little, so I've decided to stop and wait for help. But it's up on the rollers. And I got it turned around. I turned a shed. I don't know what I turned the shed into, but I turned a shed. I wish I would have gotten more poles, but so far, so good. Only that much further to go. Whew. Wish it wasn't 100 degrees out. Do you notice something missing? Someone stole our shed in the middle of the night. Oh wait. It's moved. It's moved. It's moved, it's moved, it's moved. 3 poles, some broken wood, and the shed is moved. Step 5,000 done in the million step to get the camper in the yard. Fence panel down. Just have to swap that gate, get rid of that pole, build the gate. Not much to do. This'll be easy. I mean, it's like 100 degrees again, so like, be easy peasy, right? Got this. Camper, you better love us. Okay. Say hello to my little fence. To put all this dirt. You may be asking, where did this dirt come from? Well, the previous owners decided that they wanted to have a big pile of dirt underneath the shed. I had to dig about 6 inches down because there was like a berm. So I'm still working on this spot in here, but yeah, we have a gate. So, need a little love. Okay, a lot of love. But I haven't really gone through everything yet, so definitely has that ode to 1960 something camper. Complete with original padding. Original everything. So the story behind the camper was a jockey who lived in it, who was a friend of the family who owned it, and had lived in it for about 10 years. Unfortunately, he has passed away, not in the camper. And so the family was looking to get rid of it and start fresh. Don't really know much more about the camper except that it's in really good condition as far as I'm hoping water damage wise. But again, you don't know what you have. But I inherited some of his things in the drawers, so we will go through those later. It is hot as dickens out here, and there's no electricity run to this because I guess there's a short in it. That works because I would like to learn about solar and wiring, and this is a nice safe space for me to do so. And so the goal is to make this an off-grid. Thoughts are maybe turning this into a little bathroom, just with like a dry toilet, no shower, no water tanks or anything like that. But the stove is in immaculate condition. It's almost like it's never really been used. It's just dusty and has some cobwebs. Maybe some stuff was stored in it, but oh look, magnetic bottle opener. No idea what that is, so if you know what this is, let me know, okay? I'd appreciate it. I haven't looked under here because again I would like a hazmat suit. I'd like to bug bomb the place because where it was at, it was more of like a field setting, so you don't know what you're gonna get, but definitely just needs a whole lot of scrubbing. A bug bomb before the scrubbing, maybe some new windows. But depending what the use ends up being for this, either it's a mother-in-law suite for guests when they come, since we have a tiny house. We have a little house. Or maybe selling it to another family who wants to use it as a mother-in-law suite or something. Gonna have to redo the tires, of course, and repack the bearings and all that good stuff, but not right now. But it will be parked, if we keep it, right here up against the fence with nice views of the garden. Look at that corn. And views of the garden. The heat's really been killing everything. But I think it will be cute. I'm thinking dark blue, like the house, and maybe some cedar accents, like thin veneers going across. Cedar door. That's all for now, folks. Comment if you have any ideas, or if you have this camper, what I should look out for, if you've ever put a bathroom in a camper that didn't exist before. But welcome to our journey. It's gonna be fun. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video.
please help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers to help us grow our channel. If you found this helpful, go ahead and click subscribe and send this to your friends. We really appreciate you joining us on our journey.